Hello, my name is Aditia, and I'm the software lead for the University of Waterloo's Orbital design team. Our team consists of students who are passionate about building low Earth orbit CubeSats. The subteam that I'm responsible for, software, specifically enables the firmware on the satellite and our ground station software. Because we need to meet the various and unyielding requirements of space, while ensuring that our work integrates seamlessly with other subteams, communication is critical to what we do. In hand with this, ensuring that we have the necessary documentation is important so that the team stays consistent in plan and vision. While we could write pages and pages of specifications, I've often found that engaging visuals convey architecture and constraints better. Visuals like the flowcharts created with Lucidchart. For a long time, our team has had problems with creating flowcharts efficiently. We've used many softwares, but none have had the centralization along with the speed and quality that we were looking for. Coming across Lucidchart unlocked endless possibilities for us. The ease of use, integrations, as well as the centralization it provided fit our needs perfectly and allowed us to create clear and concise visuals that impeccably communicate our specifications. To get into the nitty-gritty, currently our ground station team is migrating our software architecture to Lucidchart to set the foundation for our future development. On the embedded system side of things, our electrical team has migrated an overview of the circuit boards that we use to Lucidchart to provide the software team, us, with a useful visual when writing our code. Another benefit that Lucidchart provides is the centralization that comes with its ecosystem. With this support, our team can keep all its diagrams in one place to lay foundations for future work and developments that will persist for years to come. Additionally, with various export options, it's very easy to integrate these diagrams into our presentation materials when we're presenting to judges or asking industry experts for feedback on what we are doing. With our experience so far, we hope to keep using Lucidchart for a long time to come.